Imagine throwing hundreds on a new shiny smartphone only to have it act as a billboard. Yes, welcome to the era where even your lock screen isn't safe from ads. Welcome to GadInsider, your favorite tech hub. Motorola kicked off the madness with its glance lock screen, which flashes updates like weather reports, news, and ads before you even unlock your phone. Now, trendy tech brand Nothing is following with its own version called Lock Glimpse, and it's just as weird as it sounds. Unlike Motorola's ad spots, Lock Glimpse pretends to be subtle. It rotates wallpapers that hide sneaky links to so-called related content. Once you tap them, you're shifted away to articles stuffed with ads, and according to 9 to 5 Google, it's filled with random DIY projects or AI-generated nonsense. In other words, digital junk food meant to keep your eyes glued and the ad money flowing. Nothing says the feature will enhance your experience, but users aren't buying it, especially since the useful content exists purely to serve more ads. The only good thing is, Lock Glimpse is confined to the budget Nothing Phone 3A lineup till now. It's disabled by default on most models except the 3A Lite, and you can turn it off completely for now. Still, with Motorola and Nothing already testing the waters, and brands like Samsung sneaking ads into smart TVs and even fridges, even someone blind can see that your next phone might come with built-in commercials, whether you like it or not. If the future of personalization looks like this, users might soon be personalizing their complaints instead. Are you ready to see ads on your lock screen? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.